Gaga Art is an AI generation platform that allows you to animate any image and also the AI avatars that they have on their platforms. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. I'm going to dive right into this here. As you can see, you can actually upload one of your images. I'm just going to use one of these ones. I'm going to use this baby as a presenter. And when it comes to audio, I'm going to select record, and I'm just going to record my voice. 1, 2, 3, check, check, check. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Rhubarb, rhubarb, rhubarb. Okay, great. So now I'm going to upload this. Now I'm going to click generate. I can also craft my character's mood. So let's just say, I'm just going to put something minimal, optimistic, engaging, and confident body language. Let's go with that. Cool. I'm going to leave it at 720. You've got a couple models here. I'm going to leave it at what it is. Then I'm going to click generate. Okay. And as you can see, it's in the queue now, and the estimated time is 4 minutes. Okay, so the video is now finished. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, check, check, check. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Rhubarb, rhubarb, rhubarb. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. Okay, great. That was pretty good. I think the expressions are quite cool. There could be some more like general movement, but the facial expressions are pretty good, I'll be honest. It'd be interesting to try this on an image of myself and see the quality of that. But yeah, definitely check out this platform. I think it's quite interesting. Could be useful to a few people out there. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.